need to write a letter. Dear Jocelyn, no, my dearest Jocelyn, better. I miss you. Oh, hold, was that wrong?
Well, it's up to you, really. It's your funeral. I mean, letter.
Say something about her breasts. Yeah, you miss her breasts.
Her breasts.
Yes, you could, but I would tend to look above her breasts, William.
I miss her throat.
Still higher, really, towards the heavens.
The moon, at least. Her breasts were not that impressive.
The moon. The moon. It is strange to think. I haven't seen you since a month. I have seen the new moon, but not you. I have seen sunsets and sunrises, but nothing of your beautiful face.
It's very good, William.
I used to know this girl once who... Well, she broke my heart, but I used to say that
The pieces of
were
my
so
broken
small.
heart are so small that they can be passed through the eye of a needle. He writes as though I had died.
Yes, madam. He dies as well.
She used to cook for the Duke of York.
I miss her like the sun misses the flower.
I miss you like the sun misses the flower. Like the sun misses the flower in the depths of winter. Instead of beauty to direct its light to, the heart hardens like the frozen world your absence has banished me to.
I next compete in the city of Paris. I will find it empty and in the winter if you are not there.
I like it. And now to finish it.
With hope. Love should end with hope. My husband, God rest him, told me something I'll never forget. Hope guides me.
It is what gets me through the day and especially the night. The hope that after you're gone from my sight, it will not be the last time I look upon you.
And finish it with all the love that I possess. William.
You mean Ulrich?
With all the love that I possess, I remain yours. The knight of your heart.